Okay, in this video I'm going to take you through a full process of setting up an automated sequence example of delivering a freebie via a Mailchimp landing page. Now we've already gone over the steps for this throughout the course, but I am going to take you over it from the start to the end of getting it set up, okay? So the first thing we need is our offer rate. Generally, when we're building something, we work backwards, okay? So the first thing we need is the end product in mind. So for this example, I'm going to be delivering a PDF file. So if you're offering some sort of ebook or guide or checklist or this, that, and the other in a readable format, then yeah, you save it as a PDF, get your PDF ready, and that's what we're going to offer, okay? I will add it to the email at the end, but I've basically created let me just have a look, see if I can get it up here for you. Literally, what I've created is this demo PDF for Mailchimp training, and that's all it is. That's all that's in the document, just a bit of text, okay? But what I want to see is this document delivered when somebody requests it via a Mailchimp landing page, okay? So let's work backwards. What we need first is the automation ready to go, okay? So we're going to go to campaigns. We're going to create campaign. And the first thing we're going to do is create a thank you page on a landing page. So we're going to call this a demo one thank you page. Okay. Audience is Lexi Art. And we're just going to pick the most basic template. Now this isn't going to be the sign up form. This is going to be a thank you page. This is going to be the page that says thank you for opting in after somebody signed up. Okay. So we're going to get rid of the sign up form. I'm just going to make the background color completely white. And I'm just going to get rid of this text box. And I'm literally just going to put in here on this text, I'm just going to put in thank you for requesting the free ebook. Please check your emails. Whoops, emails. It's on its way to you. Let's make it all central. Whoops, central. And let's spell things correctly, shall we? Yep, okay. Let's leave it at that. That'll do. I'm going to save and close that. Just going to quickly give it a title. So, demo one, thank you. Save. And URL. Demo one, thank you. Just like that. TY, that'll do. And that is done. I'm not going to worry about tracking on this one. I'm just going to click on publish. Okay, super, that's done. Now we need to create another page for people to opt in for this offer. So let's create another landing page. Let's give it a name. So demo one, opt in. Again, only Lexi Art, that's the audience it's going to. I'm going to select the basic template. And we're going to put in something in here. Now, obviously, you're going to spend a lot of time designing this a lot better. You're going to put the right wording in. You're really going to put the effort into selling your product or service, even if it's a free one. Wants to know how to lose 2 inches in just 12 weeks. By having fun and still enjoying pizza. Well, I've helped hundreds of people to discover. I am terrible. Discover fun ways of being active, enabling them to consistently lose weight, something like that. So we've got a very sort of basic landing page. Download my top 10 tips to finding fun ways to keep fit. Simply enter your details below. Okay, that'll do. And then when it comes to the sign up form, I'm just going to click first name and do the data use agreement. Yep, that's all I want. So I want email address, first name, data use agreement. I'm going to change the button text to send me my top tips. And then when it's done, I'm going to have it forward to a landing page. And then we're going to select the landing page that we've just created, which is demo 1 thank you page. Okay, save and close. And that's it. That's our opt-in form. That's our landing page with the opt-in form. That's all I'm going to do for now. I'm not going to spend up time doing design. I'm going to spend a bit of time doing that. Obviously, with your settings and trackings, if you are going to track this, you can always track it with Mailchimp. We haven't set the notification bar, but remember you need to do that in your design if you are going to track. So you can have track with Mailchimp. If you're going to track with the Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics, you can do that as well. And yeah, that's it. So we are going to just quickly add a page title. So lose 2 inches eating pizza. Save. URL. Lose 2 inches eating pizza. And we'll save that. Okay. And publish. Okay, so that's our landing page now ready to go. Now what we need before we start sending people to that landing page, we need the automated email to go out to say thank you and to deliver the PDF document that we've created. Okay, so we're going to go to create. We're going to go to email, automated, and subscriber activity. So this is going to be we're going to welcome new subscribers because they are going to be new subscribers to our forms. Even if they're going to be existing subscribers on the landing page, we welcome new subscribers. We cannot have a trigger for subscribed by a landing page. We have a filter for that instead. So the trigger is welcome new subscribers. Let's give it a name here. Let's call it lose 2 inches eating pizza ebook. Okay. It's going to go to, it's using Lexiart audience. We're going to get the one audience in there. Okay, and what we want to do here is we're just going to go and click on this use advanced settings. Okay. Okay, so here we are in the advanced settings. Quickly look at the edit settings box. So we've got workflow name is this. It's from. We can change that market Lexi Media from email address. We can have send daily send digest emails so we get daily reports on the performance. We could track in Google, give it a name in Google for the automation. Yeah, we can do all that tracking stuff, and we can personalize the 2 fields. So let's now put in to F name. So it says, hey Bob, instead of saying bob@example.com. And we can use conversions to manage replies if we're expecting replies from this. Oops. I'm just going to leave it at that. The trigger we've already set up. The schedule yeah, we want this to deliver all day, every day, for whenever somebody signs up. Yeah, so the trigger is immediately. Okay. Now, what we don't want in this is if somebody signs up for another offer, then because they are still going to be a new contact that subscribes to your email marketing audience, we don't want this email to be triggered to them. So we're going to put a filter in. So filter by segment or tag, we're going to add, and we're going to choose a segment or tag. We're going to do contacts that match the following conditions, and we're going to go down to landing page, activity, signed up on, and we're going to choose the landing page related to this offer, which is the demo 1 opt-in. That's the one we've just created, okay? We're going to save the segment. Now, what you can do at this point as well is you can actually add a tag. Now, I do actually like to add tags at the end of offers, so I know that what offers people have taken. Now, I haven't actually created a tag for this, but what you do is you create the tag first, and then you click on add, post send action, add tag, and then pick the tag from your list. So if offer A was for this ebook, then you pick the relevant tag from your list, okay? And what that's going to do is it's going to then, anybody who signs up for that list and gets that email is then sent to them, they are tagged. So when you look at them in your audience, you can see their name, their email address, and all the associated fields. And under the tags column, you will see the tags of things that they've opted in for. So that's a really good way to just see, exactly where people are in your list. And then you can use that tag in the future as well. If you're doing a bit of an advert on Facebook or a promotion or something, you're trying to promote this, and you send it out to your email list, then you don't want to send it out to people who've already taken you up on this offer. So you can send it out to people, excluding people who are tagged with offer A. Okay, so people who've already got it aren't going to get that email from you. And yeah, that's it. So we're going to go to next. And that's it. We're going to start sending. I'm going to click on start sending. And that's it. The automation is now there. It's ready. It's waiting for people to meet that criteria, to be new on your list and have signed up via that form. And it's going to deliver. Oh, actually, we didn't design the email. Hang on, let's go back. We forgot to design the email. Okay, so let's pause and edit. Let's edit the email. Okay, so this is where we enter our information about the email. So it's going to be the lose 2 inches eating pizza. Subject, hey, F name, here's your ebook to lose 2 inches eating pizza. Bit of a preview text. Enjoy pizza, get fit, lose inches with this method. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's pick a template. I'm just going to pick an old template for now. Let's just use that one. We don't need this video here. Obviously, you put some text in, and then in your text, we're going to put a link to the PDF document. So, download your ebook here. And then we're going to put the link in. We're going to choose a file, which takes us to our Content Studio. We're going to upload the PDF, which I have got in here. And we are going to select the PDF. It's uploading. It's that document there. If you're unsure, you can go to the list view and it gives you the file name as well rather than the preview. Okay, so that's the relevant PDF document. Insert, insert, and save and close, save and continue. And let's go to next. Let's resume sending, resume. And that's it. Now we've got the automation set up, the landing page is set up, and now all we need to do is drive traffic to the landing page. So if we go to the demo one opt-in and click on the link, we are at the landing page. So let me just find an email I've got available. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to complete this now. So I'm just going to use the email address liam.acc1@outlook.com, mark, and I agree to the data use and send me my top tips. Now, as you can see, this has now forwarded me to the other landing page that we created, and we've just used it as a thank you page. So this is the thank you page. Thank you for requesting the free ebook. Please check your emails, it's on its way to you. Okay, so we'll go over to our emails. And in fact, what we will do is we will go to our account, just go back a couple of times. Let's look at our campaigns for the automation. It's sending, let's view the report. Now you can see we've got one subscriber who has completed and one email sent. We can click to see who's completed. It gives us a list. Oh look, there's me, liamacc1@outlook.com. And as you can see, it said one email has been sent. So let's have a look for it in our inbox. Let's maybe refresh. Okay, look, there we go. Mark, here's your ebook. Go away. So let's read it. There we go. There's the email. Here's your ebook to lose 2 inches eating pizza. Blah, 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 blah. Download your ebook here. Click on that. And there we are. We have a PDF opened and ready to read and view. So that is how we do that. And yes, that's it. Mailchimp landing pages does make it quite easy to do that. Now, Mailchimp does have issues that if you have multiple offers, when somebody signed up for the first one, great, it works a treat. When they sign up for a second one, because they're already on the subscription list, it does cause some issues. Eventually it sends, but it doesn't send it immediately. Even if you've got your email sent immediately, for some reason Mailchimp has issues processing that. But you know, it does work. In fact, you know, people might have to wait, but it does work. I do still recommend that you use a third-party plugin and a website, like on WordPress, that interacts via the Mailchimp API. You also get this issue with embedded forms on websites, but there are plugins out there like the Yikes plugin, and we'll go over that process in another training anyway, just to I'll tell you the benefits in that one. So that's it. That's how to do it via a Mailchimp landing page, and to you know, get people onto your list with in exchange for a fair offer.